all over again. Oh, okay. So we say boom, we say all over again. So we're going and stuff that's something here. Here we go. I miss it all over again. Over there now. Hey, yo, Tricky Faith, what's good? Appreciate everyone checking in already. Alright, so I'm gonna drop a link in the description for a video that I just dropped. Make sure you guys check out this video, alright? Click on this video right now and drop a comment. Alright, so I'm gonna drop the link right here. Let me drop the link right here. Thank you for sub. Is that Nasher 2.0? Thank you for the sub, man. Alright, so the link is in the description for a video that I just dropped. You can just click the link and watch that video. Drop a comment over there, alright? I just dropped that video. I want you guys to check it out. So I'm gonna drop the link. Link here is in the description as well, but I'm gonna drop it right here as well. Alright, appreciate y'all being here. Let's get to work, man. So today we're doing chest. We're doing chest today. Chest and bicep later on. So I'll be honest with you guys, I lost a lot of pounds. I lost some weight, man. So we're back on that 1 meal a day diet again. So I want everyone to check out this video. Leave a comment over there, alright? So I'm gonna show you guys how to build that chest with only doing push-ups. Only push-ups, no bench press. Alright, so see that link right here? There's a video that I just dropped, so please support it, check it out. Alright. Get these shoes together. Alright, everyone checking in. Drop a comment, let me know where you're watching from. We got anyone here watching from Jamaica right now? Anyone here watching from Jamaica? I know I always got some Jamaican audience. Especially, most of them are just silent in the chat, but we know they're here. But anyone here from Jamaica watching that wanna share? Drop a comment, let me see it. Detroit, Michigan. Nice, nice. That's what I'm talking about. Tennessee. Yeah. USA. USA. Talking about the US. U to the S to the A. Alright, so click in that video right now, alright? Make sure to check out that video, guys. $2 mile. Alright, appreciate everyone checking in. Click on that link on your screen, alright? Check out that video and leave a comment on it. Let's get this money. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're gonna do chest today. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys tell me which type of push-up should I start off with. Feel free to drop a comment. Which type of push-up I should start off with today. Alright, remember to check out that video on your screen. Link is on the screen, or you can just click in the description. Concrete bars. So these are like one is about 50, the other one is like 70 plus pounds. So not really that heavy, but okay to do like some curls, you know. Yo, Stu, what's good? Alright guys, remember to check out this video on this screen, alright guys, and drop a comment over there. Let me see you guys. Sun Kissed, what's good? So click that video on the link, alright guys. People here from Poland. Alright. On the field. This grass is the grass right now in the background is fine. You know, I already did some work on that already, so it's all good. Peaceful atmosphere, cool breeze blowing. Yeah. All right. Everyone that check out that video, drop a comment. Let me know. You check out that video on your screen. Check out that link on your screen. All right. Check out that video. And drop a comment on it, alright? So, link on your screen, check out that video, or you can just click a link in the description. Respect, man. Respect everyone joining and spreading love, man. Appreciate you all, man. It's all motivation, right? Inspiration. It's a pleasure sharing the journey. Click on that link on your screen, support that video, go over there and leave a comment, alright? Thank you all for being here. So if you watch the video already, you click on that link already, you just leave a comment. Let me know if you click on that video already, all right? Let me get rid of this thing. All right, guys. All right, let's show some love. All right, please support my new video. All right, guys, please support that new video. As soon as you hit that link on the screen, let me know. And make sure to subscribe and hit that bell. Smash that thumbs up button. So we're doing chest today. Can anyone give me a suggestion? Just feel free. I mean, normally I would start off with triangle push-up, but if you guys can feel free, which push-up should I start off with today? Yeah, which push-up should I start off with? Because remember, we're doing chest right now, so feel free. Feel free. Diamond push-ups, that sounds like a plan, man. That sounds like a plan. Oh, this guy want me to start off with one-arm push-up. Wide grip. One-arm push-up, wide grip, diamond push-up. Make sure you guys check out my video, all right? See you guys here engaging. Please check out that video on your link. Just click the link right there and leave a comment on it, all right? All right, so we're gonna start off. You said diamond push-up. We're gonna start off with diamond push-up. Then I'm gonna do like a one-arm push-up after that. Maybe do 1 set, 2 set, I don't know. So I'm gonna do 2 sets diamond push-up. Don't forget to check out that video on your screen. Click that link, all right? Woo. 30 reps to kick things off here, guys. Diamond push-up. Just like what so you guys request it, and we drop it. So next, someone said one-arm push-up. So, all right, we're gonna do one-arm push-up next, right? Do about 1 set. Okay. Thank you, guys. Form is immaculate. Thank you, man. Appreciate that. All right, next, one-arm push-up next, right? Then I'm just gonna get back on my regular routine, okay? So, please click that link on your screen. Check out that video. Make sure we check out that video, all right, guys? So click that link on your screen. Check out that video. Just leave a comment on it. Hit the thumbs up. Let me know what you think about that video. Check it out right now. It's new, brand new video. Link is also in the description. Best way to warm up. start off with the left arm first, huh? What was the form on that, guys? What was that form? Well, you can do 31 on push-up? Really? Alright, so 30 is your max. Alright, so hit that, remember to check out that video, alright guys? So I'm reading the chat, I'm seeing the names. Check out that video. Band Cash, thank you, man, appreciate that, man. Alright, bro, okay. Appreciate you guys. So don't forget to check out that video on your screen, alright? Check out that link. Let's keep going. Alright, so we're gonna do one more diamond push-up, one more set, and then we're gonna move on to a different variation. We're doing different variations of push-ups for the chest. So if you're just joining us, we're doing some push-ups for the chest. Showing you guys how to build the chest at home. So let's get it. Oh. Okay. Let's keep going, guys. We're doing close grip, so definitely keeping these blocks close. So we're targeting the chest, so close grip. Whenever we're doing triceps, we try to work with it wide. But for chest, close grip. Okay. All right. For everyone that's joining us, remember to check out that video on your screen. All right, check out that link. Check out that video and drop a comment. Close grip, guys. Remember, close grip. Okay. Let's see how that chest doing so far. Yeah. I think we're warming up now, guys. For sure. Definitely warming up at the moment. See that chest? If you just join us, remember to check out that link on your screen, hit that video. Link is also in the description. Support that video, alright? Leave a comment on it. Let's go. Up here. Get them chests at home, they're only doing push-ups. Let's keep going. Yo, yeah. Yes, higher level. Let's keep the fire burning. Ah, God. Ah. If you're a beginner, let's start off with the max. With the max you can do. With the max you can do. And if you're doing those push-ups daily, I recommend to do these. Let's say I'm doing different variations. So each max set like 3 sets each. So at first, don't really go for numbers. Just go to your max. Let's do the max you can do. Yeah, and try to just go for 3 set max, different variations of push-ups. Because today we're doing chest, guys. So, all right. All right, guys. Remember, check out that link on your screen. All right, check out that video on your screen. Click that video and leave a comment on it. All right. Link also in the description. Look at that chest. I'm not even trying to make it look big, but just look at that chest right now. See? Check this out. See that? That finger is lost. So this is how we attack that chest at home. Only doing push-ups. And we're just getting started. So remember to subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button, alright? And also, before you go, whenever you have to leave, click that link on your screen, check out that video, alright? And there's also a link in the description. Let's keep working. Remember to leave a comment on that video. Brand new video, check it out. Whoa, yeah, there. Yo, Andy, what's good? From England. Welcome. Is that Yang Yang or I don't know if it's Yang Yang, but yo, what's up? Is it Seng or Yang Yang? I don't know, but hopefully I don't get it wrong, man. Yo, what's good though? Appreciate y'all being here, man. Always. Jessica Z from Georgia, USA. Welcome. Hey, what? So we got, I don't know, man, but, all right. Ms. from Georgia, USA as well. Okay. Jamaica, yeah, this is Jamaica. I'm from Jamaica. All right. So I'm reading the chat. Make sure you guys click on the link on your screen and check out that video, all right? Check out that video and leave a comment. Okay, let's keep getting this. Let's keep getting that chest. It was pronounced like Sen. Oh, okay. So he was chilling out doing some shoulders and leg. Awesome, man. Keep it up, man. Keep working. Keep doing what you're doing, all right? Shad Rock, what's up, man? What's up? Appreciate it. Always. Respect. Yeah, that's a good one right there. Jamaican, these white women crazy. That's a good one, man. I like that one. Jamaican, these white girls crazy. Okay. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Remember to check out that video on your screen, that link. Click it right now. Link also in the description. Click it, go over there, drop a comment. I'm looking for y'all, alright? Looking for you guys. Support that video for me. Motivate. Keep going, you know? Alright, so it's one of my favorite. So when you talk about intense push-up, check out this one. Look at that chest, man. Wes, do you do bench press? No. I don't lift no weights to do a chest workout. I only do push-ups. Look, can't see that finger. That's how you build that chest at home. Let's keep working. Yo, Caleb from US, from Arizona, US. Yeah. I don't know from late, but what's St. Louis? Okay. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe. Click that link on your screen right now, alright? Check out that video. Leave a comment on it. There's also a link in the description. Click on your screen right now. Check out that video, alright? Okay? Oh! Okay. Whoa. Honestly, I'm not even jacked right now. I lost a lot of weight, man. If only you guys could see. I understand. I lost a lot of weight, man. So we're currently on a 1 meal diet again. You know, it's to because I've been proving to people though you can still build muscle and look ripped. Just eating 1 meal a day. See, living proof. Is that Darius from Poland? Appreciate you. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. All right, click on that link on your screen right now. Everyone, click on that link. Check out that video, all right? Click that link, check out that video. Leave a comment on it. That's how you build that chest at home, man. Alright, don't forget, click on that link on your screen. Check out that video, alright? Check out that video on your screen. Yeah. Okay, oh yeah. Got no rainwater, so that's how we've been kicking it for a while. It's definitely how we've been kicking it. You know, subscribe, hit that bell, smash that thumbs up. Click that link on your screen right now, guys. Check out that video for me, alright? And if you can't access that one on your screen, there's also another link in the description. One meal a day. Okay, yeah, so most definitely. Yo, Castro from Brazil, what's good, man? Yo, Bum, what's good? Alright, guys, remember to click on that link on your screen and check out that video, alright? And leave a comment on it. And there's also another link in the description. It's the same video. So that video, we dropped that video like a few hours ago. So it's a new video. Check it out, alright? Click on that link on your screen. Remember, leave a comment. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up button. Let's get it. Yes, let's get it together. Okay, chat. Don't forget, click on that link on your screen, check out that video, alright? Make sure to leave a comment. Smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let's get it. Okay, now it's time for some dips. Whoa! Yo, chat, look at that chest. See that chest? Wow. All right, everyone watching, click on the link right now on your screen. Check out that video. Subscribe, leave a like. Let's get this money. Whoa! So you build chest without doing bench press. So you build that chest. Alright? Yeah. Click on the screen right now on that link. Check out that video. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe. Let's go. Remember to leave a comment on that video, alright? So link on your screen, remember. All right, guys, let's get it. Now we're gonna work with some extra weight here. All right, let me see everyone leave a comment. Drop a comment right now in the chat. Let me know if you click that video link on your screen yet. Anyone that check out that video yet, drop a comment. Let me know. So don't forget. All right, click that link on your screen. Check out that video. Subscribe. Hit that like button. Don't forget to leave a comment also on that video. All right, let's keep working. Don't forget, check out that video on your screen. Click that link right now. Let's get it. Hey, Caroline, what's up? How's it going? Nice to see you. Thank you for being here. So if you guys can click on the link, there's also a link in the description, all right? So link is in the description for that video. Check it out. If you can't click on the link, Caroline, can you click on the link on the screen? Because there's also a link in the description. Check out that video or link. All right? Let me check out that thing, yeah. Oh, good. Okay, it's all right. Okay, so there's a link in the description then. So everyone right now, link in the description for the video. You're gonna see video link. Click on that link, check out the new video, all right? Yeah. Dog of War, what's good? All right, guys. Make sure you guys check out my video. All right, link in the description. Check out my new videos. Everyone brand new to the channel, check out that video. Link in the description. Click on it. Remember, click on it right now and leave a comment on that video also. All right, let's get this money. You can feel free to click on it after. Yo, Adams, what's good, man? How's it going? Okay, guys, we're back. We're there, you know. We're there. All right, I need everyone right now. Go in the description and click on that video link in the description right now. Check out that video. Make sure to hit the thumbs up button on it and leave a comment. All right, so I need everyone watching right now. Click on the link in the description on that video. All right, check it out right now. Let's get serious. Let's finish this thing up. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe. It's alright, guys, so don't forget to click that link in the description on that video. Alright, check it out right now. Everyone that watching the channel, check out that video. Leave a comment on it. Brand new video. All right, man. Caleb, take care, man. Don't forget to check out my video. Click on the link in the description, all right? And leave a comment. Let's keep working here. Click on that video, link in the description, okay? Let's get this money. Keep reminding you guys. Whoa! Oh, yeah! Whoa! Feel something in my back. Oh, there we go. Let's keep moving. Appreciate you guys, man. All right, so don't forget, hit that link in the description. Check out that video, all right? If you're brand new, check out that video. Click on the link in the description and leave a comment on it. And all my new subscribers, appreciate you all, man. Thank you. Thank you all. Smash that thumbs up. Let's keep working. All my long-time supporters. That's all I love. You guys not really know, man. Thank you all so much. Appreciate you guys. Whoa! something in my back. On my back. I said in my back. I don't know what the hell was that. Crawling. Ooh. Yeah, this guy, dog of war, man. Funny. Yeah. All right, let's keep getting that money. All right, so I'm checking the chat. See all you guys. I need all you guys to click on that video link in the description, okay? Click on that video link. Check out that video right now. Brand new video. Click on it and leave a comment on that video. You're gonna see video link in the description. Just click on it. Yeah. Whoa. I need you guys to look at this chest. See that chest? You don't need to do bench press. Work with what you have. Make it happen. No excuses. All right, so check out my video, drop a comment on it. All right, so hey, yo, Retro King, what's good? Whoa, yeah. Yeah. All right. Okay. Remember, guys, remember to click on that video link in the description, okay? Check it out. Leave a comment on it. All right. Okay, chat, give me a second here. Okay, time for some pull-ups. Let's get this working. Wow. Let's say come down there. Alright. Let's say it come down to. Whoa! Okay then. Whoa. Keep getting that bread. Smash a thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Appreciate you guys. All right, so for everyone joining, remember, link in the description to check out that new video. All right, new video link in the description. Let's check the description right now. Click on that link. You're gonna see right below. You're gonna see video link. Click that link, check out that video, leave a comment. Everyone, let's get this. Yes, son. Okay. I'll be right back. Wow. All right, everyone watching, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. All right, keep up for real. Remember, link in the description for the new video. Click on that link, check out that video. All right, leave a comment on it. You guys know what this is? Check it out. Anyone watching knows what this is. Auntie, it's straw they can consume about, you see, them barrel around six or more of them barrel amount of water. Yeah, man. So the filter they can last for a while. Yeah, man. Be honest, I'm gonna start doing hops again, guys. So definitely looking forward to start doing some hops again. Most definitely. It's about time. Remember, link in the description, new video, alright? Click on that link, check out that video right now in the description. Also, leave a comment on that video. So everyone right now, head to the description, click on that new video. Remember to leave a comment on it. Let's keep moving here. Ooh. Everyone, head to the description right now. Check out that video in the description. Click on the link. Leave a comment on that video right now. Alright, let's go. Oh, yeah. Smash that thumbs up button and subscribe. Don't forget to click on that video, the link in the description. So I'm going to keep reminding you guys, check out that video, brand new video. Also leave a comment. Alright, so if you guys brand new, remember I'm gonna keep reminding you guys. Head to the description right now and check out that new video, alright? Click on the link. Leave a comment on it. I'm gonna keep reminding you guys. Brand new video, please support. Click on that link right now. Appreciate it. So if you want to support, that's the least you can do. Go head to the description, click on that link and just watch that video and leave a comment. That's all you need to do. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, alright? So everyone, remember, click on the link in the description, check out that video, leave a comment. Let's keep going. Let's do a set here without any weight strap. Anyone think I should start doing abs again? Just leave a comment. Let's comment on abs. If I should start doing abs again, alright? Keep moving. Link in the description. Click on that link, check out that video. Beast mode. What the temperature is now? I'll say it's about I think 29 degrees Celsius. Get that body just there. So you need to get that mindset together. With that motivation, and just straight working, man. You have to work out at least four times a week. I mean 4 days a week. At least, right? Because right now I used to do 6, but now I'm doing 5. Because I realize I'm burning a lot of calories. Pure muscle. That's pure muscle. Burning a lot of fat. Alright, so if you want here, remember, click on the link in the description for that video. Alright? Make sure you guys click on that link in the description. Check out that video and leave a comment on it. Caroline, appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so once more. So I did ask you guys earlier if I should start doing hubs again, right? And I said told you guys to comment on hubs, but no one dropped a comment. So I don't know. Yeah, we're probably gonna start doing hubs again, because you guys already know I'm mostly focused on building just pure muscle. So yeah, we're gonna start doing hubs again for sure. So once more, appreciate you guys for the support. Remember, everyone right now, head to the description and click on that video link right now. All right, just leave a comment on it, and that's all. All right, so appreciate you guys. Take care. I'm 28, man. So remember, everyone right now, head on, check out that video link in the description. Click on that link right now. All right, peace out. Take care, guys. Make sure y'all subscribe and hit that thumbs up button. All right, let's go. Peace out. Take care. Love you all.